I made her pay for this bag.
3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did my haul. 2024 was worst year of my existence. January was not good as well. Anyway, अब मैं 1st April से New Year मान रही हूँ. Whatever. So yeah, it's been a while. In January I wanted to shoot. January से मेरे पास ये पड़ा है. This bag full of stuff that I ordered from Dubai. I thought of shooting after birthday. First week में मेरा birthday होता है, तो I thought after birthday I will shoot. Then I just didn't get time to shoot. Like I wasn't in the mood to shoot anything. So yeah, finally today is I think 11th or 12th Feb, and finally now I'm shooting Dubai haul. It's going to be exciting because I have shopped from different websites, and I will link all the websites below. So in case you are traveling to Dubai or if you want some stuff from there, you can just order. में इतनी प्रॉब्लम है. इन बिटवीन आई वांटेड टू शूट बट आईब्रोज नहीं हुए थे. आईब्रोज कराने गई मैं तो नेल्स नहीं हुए थे, एंड व्हेन जब ये दोनों फाइनली हो गए थे तो मेरा मूड नहीं था शूट करने का. So here we are shooting. I am loving this no makeup look. I found this spotlight. आप spotlight के नीचे बैठ जाओ and आपको makeup करने की बिल्कुल need नहीं है. All I did was put 2 drops of tint and this lipstick. That's it. So yeah, I found this place. Now I don't need to get ready before doing my video. I really hate putting makeup. And are you able to see my earrings? सुन तो पा रहे हो आप? Well, anyway, these also I bought it from Janpat few years ago. Never worn. I don't think so I can wear them outside because I don't like this dung happening. So I thought of using it for my video. So yeah, let's get started. It's super random stuff, so it's in a bag. I will keep, taking the stuff out and tell you from where I got it. Why I got it, I have no clue. Oh, the ugliest one. So I got this bag from this website called Sixth Street. It's really shitty. I don't like it. I don't know what's happening with the shape. The shape is a bit wonky, so that's why I have never used it. This is from a brand called ACW something. It's not very expensive. It's 99 dirhams, like 2500 rupee bag, but I'm not very happy with the shape. I thought of using it with my ethnic stuff, but I'm not really liking it. So ये सब यहाँ पर मिलता है, but just excitement to order from there. This bag is literally available everywhere, like in India, from all the brands, GK, Lajpat, everywhere I've seen this bag. But I don't know what got it into me that I ordered this bag, and I'm really not happy with the shape. I think it's kind of money waste हो गया मेरा. So next up is from the same website, Sixth Street. This is Aldo bag. So there are few brands which are cheaper in Dubai, like Aldo, Love Moschino, Charles and Keith. All these brands are much cheaper than in India. So I would suggest you to buy stuff from there if you are traveling or if your friends are traveling. I keep bothering my friends to bring stuff for me. Also, big thank you for everyone who got this. All one of my friends' dad got it for me. I ordered this bag and the other bag and few clothes. I will show one of the outfit which I have worn. ये मेरी tongue को क्या हो रहा? So yeah. So this bag on Aldo's website was for like 15,000 rupees. So, and on the Sixth Street it was half the price. So I ordered it from there. It's really cool. It has this small, I'm not opening because I don't know if I'm going to use it or gift it. I don't know. This is a small chain, and then it comes with a big one too. Shoulder bag. I really like these bags. I have similar bags from Prada, Stodd and all. I really like this shape. This shape is my favorite. It's very comfortable, and you can keep your wallet, your money, and what do you call, your phone, I mean lipstick, basic everything fits here. This is nice. I love it. For the price, this bag is really nice. I might open it. मेरी लाइफ में बैग प्रॉब्लम्स है बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट branded bags, I want non-branded bags, then I want nylon bags, then I want all kind of bags. Like my bag problem is real. Hence this, I ordered this wallet. This is really cute. I like Love Moschino. It's not a luxury brand but a premium brand, but I really like it. Their products are good, and this is another brand which is cheaper in Dubai. For example, this, if you check on Agio Lux, or what do you call, the Collective and all these luxury websites in India, if here it's for 18,000, I got it for like half of it, like 400-500 dirhams mein you can get Love Moschino wallets. These are cute. I really like the quality, although it's not my type. I'm more Gucci but yeah, it's spacious and I like it. And again, for this we can do that chain thingy. I don't know if I have any chain here, but yeah, we can just put a chain around here and make it a wallet or sling bag or whatever you want to. I think this is really cute. This is for my mom. So another wallet, I ordered like few wallets from Love Moschino. This is for me. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I don't know. The thing is, I always order these brands like Carl, Love Moschino, Charles and Keith, Aldo, just because they're cheaper, and then I end up not using them. This is, I might use it. This is cute. This is very cute, and oh, the back, I kind of like it. The only problem is I just always think I deserve Gucci and stuff. But I'm going to use it because I need one wallet to keep my cash in it. Also, guys, I have been using this UPI tuck a lot, and then end of the month you get to know ki bhai kya kaand hua hai. So I have switched to cash from few weeks. You can say I'm only paying in cash, because when you pay in cash tab pata chalta hai gaddi kam hoti ja rahi hai. So I think I'm going to use it. I really like it. It's a nice color and I can put it in my bag. All the cash can fit here, cards can fit here, and yeah, there's a zip. And also I like the quality of Love Moschino. For some reason, for the price, the quality is really nice. And also I am surprised by the packaging. This packaging is also cool. I ordered 4 of these, one for my friend, one for my mom, one for myself, and one extra. So yeah, I really like it. This angle is such a double chinny angle, but I don't care. I can't be bothered. मुझसे अपना tripod adjust नहीं हो रहा, so this is the maximum height I can get. So enjoy my double chin while you enjoy my shopping. So this is the third website. सबसे पहले हमने shopping करी है 6th Street से. Next we have Love Moschino, and now we are doing this, what do you call, Namshi. This is a very random vague order, middle of the night while browsing I just ordered it. I really thought it will be aesthetic. I ordered few lipis which I'm going to show you in a bit. I ordered this holder. I ordered this like a vase kind of thingy. I thought it would be so cute. Lately I'm into curves. Look at my bed, my mirror, my sofa, everything is curvy. So I ordered this. I thought of using it, but I don't know, I'm really not into it. See the shape. The shape is not very good, but the price was 20 dirhams, which is fine. So hum seh lenge. Also it has this thingy, so you can put it on the wall like this. I don't know. I'm going to, let's see how I'm going to use it. It's a nice cutie acrylic thing. Just the shape is not very well cut, but I'm going to use it on my console. So this I ordered from Namshi. Namshi Home is amazing. If you go to website Namshi and go to their home section, amazing stuff. And again, like I said, Dubai mein everything is cheaper because they do sales every single month. Abhi Ramadan hai to khush hai, Ramadan sale hai, then Eid sale aa jayegi, then koi aur sale aa jayegi. They literally keep doing sale, and then end of season sale aa jayegi, then autumn sale aa jayegi, then न्यू ईयर आ जाएगा. Like legit, they keep doing sales every few months. So yeah, this is cute. Few of these lippies from Namshi as well. The reason first, they are not available in India. I just ordered random shades. The thing is, I don't even care if the shade is not that good. I don't care because we are like sisters. My sisters can use. If they don't go well on my face, my sister can use, or I can just give it to my friends. But I have to shop because why not? Because chul is real. So I ordered these NYX ka fat oil. The thing is, when they launched, I think last to last year, ये हमेशा out of stock होते थे और मुझे इतना FOMO होता था कि भाई they are out of stock, I want to use them. So I ordered. They are nothing nice, nothing, I mean, you won't die if you don't use them. But yeah, these are the colors I ordered. There is one more. So the colors are newsfeed, wow, newsfeed, and this is follow back. I had one nice pink also, which I don't know. I ordered like 7-8 of these. Now they are probably in my sister's wardrobe because I ordered 2 each for every one of us. So yeah, these are very cute. I will show you how they look. I mean, basically there are just 2 colors for you to see. So yeah, this is all from Namshi. This is NYX का फैट ऑयल. ये हर जगह अवेलेबल है गाइस. इंडिया में नहीं अवेलेबल, बट इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, आपको दुबई मॉल में या व्हाट यू कॉल मॉल ऑफ एमिरेट्स में घूमते घामते वहाँ पर ही मिल जाएगा. लाइफस्टाइल पे मिल जाएगा. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन, यू कैन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम नून, and also you can order from this Namshi. Look at the tint. I think ये lips पे पता चलेगा. It's going to look good. This one called follow back. Guys, please follow back कर लो. This is called follow back. This I've already been using. इसमें कुछ as such color नहीं है, but it's a nice, it gives a nice shine on your lips. So there's one more thing I ordered from Namshi. It wasn't available in India, but last month Nykaa launched it. So this is Axis Y. Axis Y dark spot correcting glow serum. I've already used it before and I just ordered. I restocked them. This serum is really good. Like it says it's for dark spot correcting glow serum with niacinamides, brighten skin. Yeah, it's basically for glowing skin, and it actually does gives glow. So what we do is we use it in our skincare, and also before putting makeup we use it. It's really nice. I'll show you. एकदम गलत तरीके से I will open. दुनिया यहाँ से खोलेगी but मैं यहाँ से खोलूँगी. That's how we roll, honey. I think दुनिया भी यहीं से खोलती है because bottle is coming this way. Well, anyway, look at it. This is really good. We have used it. पहले हमने किसी random blogger को देखा था, and that's when we ordered it. I've been using it from last 2 years. It's really nice. Love it. So yeah, that's it from Namshi. Next I ordered few stuff from Sephora, which again I have used already. It was my skincare Inky List, which is not available here. Look at this. I am so excited. I am so excited to use it. I mean, I was randomly browsing Sephora.ae, Sephora Dubai, and I found this Tarte lipstick. I have never used Tarte lipsticks before. I used Tarte concealer, and oh my god, I love it. और मैंने इतनी मुश्किल से कंट्रोल कर रखा था. I haven't opened it because I wanted to shoot a vlog. So this was in their my god, this was Sephora का कुछ gift section में था. Look at it. So 4 lipsticks, and also these were super reasonable. I don't remember the price, but these 4 lipsticks were like for 5,000 or 6,000. I don't know, but amazing. Oh my god, I'm going to show you all of these are amazing. This one is called Cool Mauve and buffed rose. Let's try these guys. Look at the packaging, इतना cool है ना for gifting. कुछ चीज़ें इतनी cute होती हैं, मेरा मन ही नहीं होता खोलने का. I'm like too cute to use. So let's see. I like the bottles. I really love them. I've never heard of Tarte lipsticks. Okay, wait. Akuja Juicy Plumping Lip Oil. I really love the my god guys, मैं नहीं दिखा रही अभी swatch करके. This is so I think it's going to be like this. Tuck 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 tuck. Oh no, this is so satisfying. Okay guys, I'll show you. Wait. Tuck 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 tuck, come out baby. Oh my god guys, look at me, 30 plus, getting excited for a fucking lip oil. Oh my god, this is cool, feels good. This is nice. Next one is this buffed rose. Again, this is lip plumper. Oh my god, cute. Let me see how it, oh my, this is again like this. I love this tick situation going on with the lippies these days. I like it. SBS approved. So I think it's going to I think I'm going to use it like this, ये लगाकर and then lip oil on top or whatever. This is so cool. Next we have this. It's called Spiced Pink and Rose Quartz Shimmer Glass. Spiced Pink and Rose Quartz Shimmer Glass. We have this gorgeous bottle. ये सब में सबसे gorgeous bottle ये वाली है. This is again, this is called Spiced Pink. Let's see. Okay, this is again the tuck situation. The problem with tuck situation is अगर ज़्यादा आ गई तो आप अंदर नहीं कर सकते. So let's try it here. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is another one, lip plump. पहले हमने ये वाला यूज़ किया था lip plump, अब है ये वाला. This is called Rose Quartz Shimmer Glass. Oh my god, cute. So basically it's just a shimmery gloss. This is nice. If you have pink lips, just this would look super cute. If not, just put a lipstick and then put this on top. Guys, I'm in love with this Tarte stuff. Next one is again, like I told you in the beginning, I purchased a lot of stuff, but why, I had no clue. Again, this is again my useless purchase. Bobble gloss ring. ये मैंने देखी थी Instagram पे. मतलब इन्फ्लुएंस होना कोई मेरे से सीखो. ये मैंने Instagram पे किसी को देखी थी and I got so excited कि क्या है ये. Definitely not for me, definitely not for my age, but I wanted it. So guys, I mean, look at it. I mean, if these people, you know, continue to make cute stuff, oh my god, this is so nice. And wait, so this is a ring gloss. Can you believe it? Like, it's actually very nice. Like, I would love to wear it. Tight है guys ये भी मेरे ऊपर. लाइफ के दुख देख रहे हो, एक लिप ग्लॉस भी टाइट है. चलो, वेल एनीवे, यहाँ पर आ गई. सो जस्ट वेयर योर लिप ग्लॉस whenever you feel like touching up. Dun 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 dun. Close it. I love it. थोड़ा सा यूजलेस प्रोडक्ट है, बट मतलब ऐसा नीड नहीं थी ग्लॉस रिंग बनाने की, बट अब बनाई है तो हम खरीदेंगे. लव इट. आई रियली लाइक दिस. इट्स लिमिटेड एडिशन लिप ग्लॉस रिंग. So cute. And I think I don't remember the prices at all, but if I do, I will just let you know. I think ये भी होगी. I think it was for 120 dirhams, like 3,000-4,000 around. Look at. So next is jewelry. I have shown this before on my Instagram, Hanadi jewelry. So I ordered I think this is a Lebanese brand, Beirut somewhere, and I had like stuff from them and it went the color went off, so I told them to send me new pieces and they sent me these pieces. This is such a delicate, nice piece, look at it. But the only problem with this jewelry is I really find it expensive, because this is like, my god, I like it. This is super delicate and it's not even gold or anything, but this costs around like 5,000-6,000 rupees, which I think is a bit too much. Another from the same brand is this one. I really like it. This one is again like 200-300 dirhams. This is nothing कि इंडिया में नहीं मिलता. अब इंडिया में there are so many anti-tarnish, so many brands doing the jewelry, but this I got when I was in Dubai, and so yeah, this is nice. Also got a lot of footwear from Dubai, which I don't currently have it, but I'm going to link it here. So I got Adidas Ozweegos, which are the best and comfiest shoes here. I don't know, we don't find it here. I was checking this website called Veg Non-Veg, जो हमारे सोनम कपूर के हबी की है brand. So I was checking, but इतने options and sizes नहीं थे. So I ordered few for my dad. They are amazing, the comfiest shoes on earth. I will just show you. I have one, and then I ordered two for my dad. Two Ozweegos for my dad. They are amazing. And one I ordered New Balance. I kind of like them. These are called 650. My first preference for New Balance is 9060, which I recently bought it. They are amazing. Then 550, and then comes this 650. But पहने हुए ये काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. I really like New Balance. New Balance इंडिया में available हैं. Prices are also similar, but it's just the, you can say, trust issue, whatever. I have been shopping from Dubai for past few years, so I just feel, and also बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि Myntra, Flipkart पे fake सामान है, so I never even tried ordering them. So these are also, oh no, these are from Level Shoes. These I got from Level Shoes. 2-3 New Balances I got. If I think I told in my previous video that I got few shoes, but वो धीरे धीरे दुबई से ट्रांसपोर्ट होके आ रहे होते हैं. So next I got Tory Burch. Tory Burch is another brand which is cheaper in Dubai, and I really feel bad for my fellow Indians, my friends who keep buying Tory, Coach, Kate Spade, wait guys, Love Moschino, these brands for double the price. So these I have heard they are like much cheaper in US, but अब US कौन जा रहा है? But Dubai is something we can always, like, you know, get it from Dubai. So I'll show you my Tory Burch. काफ़ी मोटे दंगड़े जूते हैं ये, दंगड़े shoes हैं, but I like them. These are very cutie. So these also I got it for, I don't remember, but if in India it's for 20,000, I got it for 10,000. As simple as that. So next are these. I really like the box. For the first time I got box. Usually I order stuff to my friend's place and they just bring it for me whenever they are traveling. So कभी मुझे life में box नहीं मिलता, bag नहीं मिलता. I don't get any brand. इज्जत से मुझे कोई brand नहीं मिलती. But I get good prices, good deals. So I would rather, you know, buy it from Dubai. I got box for this. New Balance का box नहीं आया मेरे पास. किसी भी New Balance का box नहीं आया, और भी किसी भी shoe का box नहीं आया. This is the first time my friend got boxes for me because space थी. Next are these. I like these better. I was super confused, so we ordered both orange and black, but I like these better. Look at them. And I think the price, I will tell you the price. I don't remember the price, but they are like super reasonable. I think for 15 or 20,000 rupees, but I love them. Also, one thing I love about is Tory ka dust bag. This is the dust bag. I got it with a little charm, and I'm going to use this charm. I got it one from Dior and I wanted to use, but I never got to use it. This one I am going to use it. I'm going to put it in my chain and use, because agar sirf you buy this Tory ka, this charm costs rupees like 500 dirhams, 12-13 ka, just this charm. So I am gonna use it here, or maybe as a bracelet or something. I can even make earrings because I have 2 of them. So yeah, I'm going to DIY this and show you guys. So last but not the least, my favorite thing, my favorite thing is this bag, Jacquemus. I have been eyeing this bag from past 2 years. ऐसा नहीं है कि it wasn't affordable or something, but I was just confused कि लेना चाहिए या नहीं. I walked into Harvey. I wanted to get this bag, but then I was like, छोड़ो. This was in 2023. Then again 2024, I wanted to buy this bag again. I was like, chodo. Finally on my birthday, I told my sister I want this bag, so she got it for me. I made her pay for this bag, and this is so nice. It is like 3-way. Now I'm going to just unbox it here. I haven't used it. Look at the bag, look at the hardware. I love silver gold hardware. Like, this is my favorite. This is so cute. So you can use it as a shoulder bag on the side. Also, it comes with one more fatty strap, which I wasn't sure when I was buying, but it comes with this strap. I used this bag in my shoot back in, like, I don't know, few years ago. So that's when I first saw this bag. I really love it. And also I have like 4 Jacquemus bags. All 4 of them are leather. So leather I really don't like. If you want to buy a Jacquemus bag, don't buy. I mean, just buy when they're on sale, because they're not worth it quality wise. And all my leather bags, they have scratches on them. So this time I got this suede bag. So this is suede, so it won't, like, you know, scratch, and it's good for me. And also I'm a big jungly when it comes to bags. I don't know how to use them with Izzat. This is the mota strap I'm putting. So you can use this bag 3 ways. You can use it with this big strap, you can use it with chain, and the best part is you can just use it as a clutch. Dun-dun-dun. I love it. Nothing excites me more than a bag, like any bag. When I was young and cheap and poor, whatever you can call me, like in uni time when we had like less money, I used to shop from Kazo, and there was this Shopper Stop, like random, but I used to buy bags. Oh, it has this also. You can fit your credit card here. This is cool. I really like this bag. Can't wait to style it. I didn't get a chance to style it, but this is so cool. So that's it for today. I hope I've showed you everything. We started with our okay, so now I will, you know, give you a breakdown of all the Dubai shopping. So we started with 6th Street. It's a website. So if you are traveling, they deliver next day or maximum like 2 days. So if you're traveling, you can order, and by the time you reach, it will be delivered. So 6th Street, they have very good deals on Charles and Keith, Aldo, and these random little brands like Mango. I ordered clothes from Boohoo and Trendyol. All these stuff you can get it. First is 6th Street, then next is Level Shoes. I got all my shoes from Level Shoes, few sunglasses and bags. My diesel bags are from Level Shoes, so they have pretty good deals. Third one is Namshi. From Namshi, if you have space, you can get really cool homeware like nice mugs, rugs, little decor pieces, crockery and whatnot. And what else? For beauty, I ordered these lipsticks from this is available everywhere. This is available in Lifestyle, this is available in Noon, but I ordered from Namshi because I was already ordering shoes, so I just added few lipsticks as well. Next is Sephora. Sephora Dubai, it's expensive. Like, it's definitely not cheap. It's expensive. For example, the Fenty lippies in India, they are for 2400 rupees, and in Dubai they are for like 3000 plus. But still I order from there because I don't know, trust issues. This I ordered from Sephora Dubai. So yeah, we have 6th Street, we have Namshi, we have Level Shoes, we have Noon as well. From Noon you can get like nice perfumes and beauty and all these brands. This is really good. This one is a must try if you have any like pigmentation, dark spots. I have all this. I haven't covered anything today because I didn't feel like putting on any makeup. I really want to have clear skin so I can just put 10 lipstick and done for the day. So yeah, this Korean brand is really good. You should try. Now it's available on Nykaa, so you can order from Nykaa. What else? Then we ordered Hanadi jewelry. Nothing to be worried about. Everything is available in India, so you don't need to worry. What else? Then I got my Tory Burch and Love Moschino. That's it. And Jacquemus. These are all you can check. Bloomingdale's and Unas for deals. Whenever they have sale, you get good prices on Love Moschino, and even this was a bit discounted. So all the prices are better than what you get in India, but the only drawback is whoever gets stuff for me, we don't get the bags and everything. So but look at it, man. I wasn't sure about this bag, but I'm loving it. So yeah, that's it for today. Now let's break down my outfit. It's just literally a jumper from H&M, which I don't even like it because of the fit, but date over ho gayi thi to maine rakh liya. So this jumper I'm wearing is from H&M. These earrings are, I think ये कहीं मैंने वहाँ से लिए थे, some जनपद और कहीं से लिए होंगे, I don't remember. And yeah, has anyone noticed my chapri here? So I went to remove my मनी पीस, जो किसी ने मनी पीसड़ा बना दिया था, इतना बड़ा पीसड़ा कर दिया था. तो आई वेंट वो सारा कलर हटाने. सो देर इज स्टिल केमिकल, इफ़ यू कैन सी देर इज स्टिल केमिकल. आई नीड टू गो फॉर वन मोर wash and deposit so it's all even. So yeah, that's all about it. All right guys, so a lot of you have been asking me, messaging me. Every person I meet, they would message me, lift lag gayi. Yes guys, lift lag chuki hai finally after 7, 8, 9 months whatever. हम जून में मूव हुए थे. जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, 5, 6, 7, 8. फाइनली आफ्टर 7 months you can say लिफ्ट लग चुकी है. And yeah, it's much better. Like अब मुझे जलीलों के नीचे नहीं जाना पड़ रहा है if I'm traveling, if I have stuff in my hands. So yeah, लिफ्ट लग चुकी है, which is a very good point. And then regarding other stuff, there is still renovation going on. Imagine this house we started in 2022. Like the builder started in 2022, and from last 7, 8 months we are renovating. अभी पेंट चल रहा था and there was some minor cracks in it, वो चल रहे थे. The whole point is दिस इज स्टिल अ साइट. लाइक मुंह उठा के कभी भी कोई भी लेबर आ जाती है, बेल बजेगी, मैडम पेंट करने आए हैं, मैडम बिजली की तार लगाने आए हैं, एंड इट fucking pisses me off. But well, we can't help it. I'm going to put videos क्या क्या हो रहा है, and like literally you will get to know. पूरे फर्नीचर का ऐसी तैसी हो चुकी है, सब कुछ हो चुका है बिकॉज वी कीप कवरिंग द फर्नीचर. और पेंट होता है, पेंट अच्छा नहीं होता, देन वी फिक्स दैट स्टफ. कभी इलेक्ट्रिकल फिक्स हो रहा है, कभी कुछ फिक्स हो रहा है. एंड अभी भी एज ऑन Feb 11 देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क पेंडिंग. यहाँ पे भी पीछे पेंट होना है. इफ़ यू कैन सी, इट्स रियली नॉट दैट नाइस, बट आई एम लेटिंग इट पास फॉर नाउ. आई कांट वेट. लाइक आई टोल्ड माई डैड कि दिवाली पे कर लेंगे further renovation, Diwali 2025, but I'm not even ready for that. I might just put wallpaper or do something else. I don't want any painter in my room, so I'm going to do a bit renovation here also. And so yeah, this is all about the house. There are still a lot of things that need to be done, which I keep recording, so which I will just add it here. चलो गाइस, डेट वाला फिल्टर मिल गया, बट इसमें ग्रेन आ रहा है. ग्रेन में भी दिख रहा है वैसे. दिस इज़ द क्रैक. मूविंग डेट सबको पता है 2024 में थी, और ये 25 में आज फिक्स हो रहा है. आर बिल्डर रॉक्स, वो कहता है छोड़ो. Imagine renovating while you are still living in the house. The amount of discomfort, pollution, mitti, irritation it caused. Karma will fix it. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, guys. आज की वीडियो काफ़ी ज़्यादा long हो गई है because I haven't shot from a month. So yeah, that's all. We have everything from Dubai, and like I do every time in my video, my favorite purchase from today, I will tell you. So my favorite purchase from all of this has to be this baby bag. First of all, because इसके लिए मैंने pay नहीं किया, I made my sister pay for it, and then it's so cute. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं like you want someone else to buy it for you. So this is one such thing, and also I was telling you before, ये दोनों हट जाएंगे तो you can also carry it like a clutch. So that's going to look really amazing. So let's end the vlog here on my Jacquemus bag. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do comment. If you guys know me and you are watching it, just bloody go down and comment and let me know what you like about the video and tell me what else you want me to post. Also, a lot of you have told me previously, मैंने poll किया था like Q&A shoot करो भाई, question तो भेजो, what should I answer? Send me your questions and I'll just shoot a random Q&A video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.